Hello friend, welcome to another video tutorial, and today's discussion topic is cancer. And as we know, cancer is a very dangerous disease and spread throughout the world. And in India, uh, there is a lot of cases of cancer, and most of these cases are arising due to our habitat. uh, the surrounding in which we live, there is a lot of pollutant in industrial areas. And secondly, it depend upon our habit, what we eat, how do we live, what we used in daily life. है ना? So let us discuss one by one. First of all, what is cancer? So what is cancer? Cancer is an uncontrolled, uncontrolled growth of cells occurs due to mutation in cell cycle control gene. Okay, so this is the and it is very, and secondly it is harmful to us. Okay, so that is known as cancer. And if a uncontrolled, for example, this is a single cell and these cells start divided and produce many progenies and increase the mass of cell around this, and it also fight with our another normal healthy cells for food and space, and this will produce a large unorganized mass of cell. This is known as tumor. Okay, so cancer cause tumor. Okay, and it is due to uncontrolled growth. And if we talk about the cancer, the cancer tumors are of two type. Tumors are of two type. How? One is known as benign tumor. Okay. And second is known as malignant tumor. Malignant tumor. So what is the difference between these two type of tumor? Is so benign tumors are not harmful. First, first thing is that not harmful. If these tumors are occurs in our vital organs like lungs, brain, okay, intestine. Till that it is non-harmful, and they have one property: they cannot spread the information to normal or healthy cells, and they do not compete with normal cells. But in malignant tumor, they compete with normal cells, normal cell for food and space. First thing. And second, they also spread from this is the tumor, and they release their cells in bloodstream. They release their cell in blood stream, and these carcinogenic cells, these cancerous cells in bloodstream reach to other organ, and where they spread the information, and other organ also become cancerous, and they also transfer the information to healthy cell to become a cancerous cell. So these are the very harmful and destructive. Okay. And the property of spread their cell from a cancerous organ to another healthy organ is known as metastasis. Metastasis. The phenomenon of spread of cancer cell is known as metastasis. And the flow of information from a tumor cell or a cancer cell to healthy cell, that is metastasis. And the property of this cell, that is known as malignancy, to spread information, that is known as malignancy. And the process of spread is known as metastasis. So the malignant tumor are metastatic. Okay, so they spread the cancer in whole body. Okay, so there is two type of tumors. One is benign tumor and second is malignant tumor. Malignant tumor are the real cancerous cells and they cause very harmful effect on human body. But benign tumor are not harmful till they occurs in vital organs. And we can say that these benign tumors are like rasoli in local language occurs in many animals. Okay. Now, which cause cancer? Which cause cancer? As I already told about, that is the cancer occur due to mutation in a normal cell's DNA or the part of DNA which control the cell growth. Okay, or genes which control cell growth, and mutation in these gene cause uncontrolled growth. Okay, so chemicals or anything which cause cancer are known as carcinogens. Anything which cause cancer, that is known as carcinogens. And the carcinogens can be categorized into three categories like physical, chemical, and biological. Okay. By first of all, we discuss biological. Biological, for example, you all people know about a virus that is known as the papilloma, है ना? And also one is the sarcoma. There is many. This papilloma virus enter into our epidermal cell of skin and make them to divide, and due to which a protuberance is occur on skin, which is like a mole, है ना? So it cause uncontrolled growth in our skin cell and can cause cancer in skin. Okay, so some mostly in biological there is viruses are the reasons of cancer. ठीक है? Second, we will discuss about physical reasons. You all know about the mm, X-ray, gamma rays, है ना? X-ray, gamma rays, most importantly UV rays. These infrared rays, and you all know these rays travel very slowly. Their speed of traveling or penetration is very slow. And you know, when these radiation pass through our tissues very slowly, they cause heat. They cause heat. They heat up the body from which they are penetrated. And due to this penetration, tissue get heat up, and as the temperature increases in tissues, as we know about DNA, DNA is a double-stranded structure and it is joined together by hydrogen bond. This hydrogen bond is breakdown, and due to breakdown of this hydrogen bond, when temperature get normal, the pairing of purine to pyrimidine occur again, but sometime it not occur accurately, not occur accurately, and due to which there is a mutation in these base pair and lead to cancer. Okay, and third thing is chemical. As we know, synthetic dyes, many preservatives, many preservatives used to preserve food, and many chemicals like paints, and sometime recently we found that uh, the plastic used to manufacture car interior of motor vehicles also get heat up in a sunlight, and it release some chemicals which cause cancer. Okay, mostly in the 10 12 to 2 p.m. there is a increase in UV radiation. uh, these UV radiations are also cause cancer and act as an carcinogenic compound. Okay, so these are the some regions which cause cancer, and the only we can do to protect us uh, to be away from these chemicals. Secondly, as very important message from me, many people put their phone here in the pocket, inserts, and many people put their phone in their pockets of pant. And as we know, there is a infrared radiations coming from the uh, signals or towers of the phone, uh, s- and these are also low wavelength radiations, and when they penetrate our body, they also cause heat up of our tissues. And if we talk about the pent, it cause heat up in the testes, increase in the temperature of testes, due to which the sperm lysis occur. And if sperm lysis occur, there is a low count of sperm in semen, which cause infertility in the youth. Secondly, the people who put their phone in the pocket of their shirt, it cause heat up of heart muscles and cause them to damage, and later on cause the heart failure or etc. Uh, thank you. Hope so. You will do something to protect yourself.